Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. Well, this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. You don't need to go to the eye doctor. Yes, that candle right there is still changing because the market is still going to be open for a few more minutes. But as far as what I'm going to talk about here, what I talk about is still going to pertain unless something just crazy goes on, which would be pretty cool to capture on video. But so like I said, yes, that candle is moving because the market's still got a few more minutes. But regardless though, let's get some things updated. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update is based on just a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And going into today, that 775 mark was doing a great job of holding as support. But then right here during that opening 30 minutes of the day, you can see the price broke down through there. And then since then, the price just kind of slightly, and slowly bled to the downside. So in the event, though, the price does level out and then start to work its way back upwards, 775 is going to be that first key level of resistance that'll need to be broken. As far as levels of support are concerned, the near-term level is going to be this pink line right here, which on my chart is denoting the famous 200-period moving average. Right now, that's valued at right there at $7.58. So that'll be, like I said, one that, who knows, maybe could even come into play during the final few minutes of the day here. But really, the main level to watch is if that, the 200-period is broken, then at that point, the chart opens up quite a bit. And the next level of support, not until down around $7.40. Now, don't get me wrong, if 758 fails, I'm not saying that within 10 minutes the price is going down to 740. But technically speaking, there just aren't any other areas of support when you look here at this portion of the chart. So it's kind of a little miniature no man's land, if you will. So that is why I would consider, that 200 period and the 758 mark definitely a very important level to watch going forward, because if that level doesn't hold, then the next key level, technically speaking, not until down around $7.40. So those are going to be the key levels to watch. Again, if the price does level out and start to head back up, then watch 775. But if this downwards momentum continues, then keep a close eye on 758, and then after that, $7.40. So we'll see what happens as the week continues to play out. Remember, markets are closed on Thursday for Independence Day. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.